All right, guys, so one of the final pieces for the wrist is here. There are some bushings for the rod that this mounts on that I needed so that this be properly spaced. And I'm gonna go ahead and install that right now. So I'll just tighten those down, and then you can see I've got the wrist, got the thumb, and then right now I'm just waiting on a cylinder for right here. Right now I have a zip tie just holding this up because I was All right, so it's time to start making some of the critical adjustments. I'm kind of sick right now, just so you guys know. But yeah, so cylinder is finally installed here, and we're gonna check the angle. This is supposed to be 12 degrees, and we're gonna see if it is. This is my little angle measure. So it looks like it's about 10 degrees. The problem is the clevis is screwed in as much as it can go. So what I'll have to do is I'll have to cut it down a little bit. So I can do that. I'll have to do that later, but I guess we'll move on to the next cylinder, which is this one. And on the manual, it says that it is supposed to be, let's see, 4 13/16 inches from pin to pin. So from this point to this point is supposed to be 4 13/16 inches. Let's look at that. Okay, so it's quite a bit off. All right, I just had the most insane chase for another clevis because I actually couldn't get the nut on the old clevis that I found. So I found this one. That's clearly been cut off, but I think it's gonna work, so. All right, so this cylinder is supposed to be 2 3/4. All right, now we have the thumb cylinder, which is supposed to be at 130 degrees. All right, now we'll do the arm raise. And last we had the arm twist cylinder. I kind of think that this one is probably the most off of all of them, but I could be wrong. All right, so with those critical angles done and all the cylinders installed, Klunk is, I mean, essentially completely ready to go. I actually just got his, I'll be honest with you guys, I have had him aired up for a while, at least with the, I have a Rolf valve bank that I have him attached to, which is 22 movements, and he's got about 30. So I just got the new valve bank in today. So today will be the first day that he's fully aired up, but I have had him aired up. I had him aired up for the critical adjustments, but this will be the first time with all the movements and everything. And I got his new bit stripper chips in today, so he's also going to run for the first time. So this will be quite awesome.